Look where we're at. We've got to get on that train over there. Yeah, man. All right. Let's get on this train.
This is Windermere.
Windermere? We're here already. That's 5 free trains. Get in.
Windermere, where this train terminates.
Woo! Let's go. All right, I thought I'd film a little update. So I hitchhiked to Ambleside. Someone's calling me. Hey man, I'm actually up in the Lake District. I just got here. What I do, I use a hammock. Hammocks are the best way to go. But yeah, like I was saying, I hitchhiked to Ambleside, so we're here. Saved us a bit of time. It's 11:30 now. The plan's to climb Bow Fell tomorrow. So the plan tonight is just to get as close to Bow Fell as we can, find some trees, hammock up, and then hit it fresh in the morning. So yeah, let's go. This is the spot. As you can hear, we're by some water. There's also by some rusty barbed wire. But yeah, there's a huge drop down there. See the water there? Absolutely gorgeous. Dinner time. Set up nicely. By some water. Chilling. 2 AM now. We've made it about halfway between Windermere and Bow Fell, which is perfect. Exactly what I wanted to achieve. So we're on schedule. So good. Sweet potato, beans and rice. Right, good night people. Good morning. Looks fucking gorgeous out here. Got good sleep. Feels great to be back in the hammock, man. Fucking love this. Check this out, right? This barbed wire that I noticed last night is going straight into the tree. You see that? And on this side as well. The barbed wire just goes straight into the fucking tree. That means the barbed wire must have been there for about 20 years or something. These trees have grown around the barbed wire. But yeah, man, what a beautiful place to wake up. Fucking sick, man.
Hi.
Go, mate.
Yeah, you?
Yeah, how are you?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, so when I threw my head, were you here?
Yeah. You don't notice?
Fuck, no, you. Sorry, colour.
No, it's alright. I was about to say hi, but you were going off again, so I was like,
I didn't see you.
That's alright. That's good, mate. That means I'm blending in.
Freaking right, man.
Yeah, literally, you went like that, right? And then went back down that way. When you're concentrating, sometimes you're not observing around you, innit? You too, mate. Let's go. Gorgeous. Yo! Ace. Thought I'd take a second at this little waterfall. Comes and runs under this bridge. Nice big drop on this side into the valley. We're up high. Red bricks, rusty water. It's very red up here. Proper irony. Oh wow, red stones. Look at these surroundings. What a place. England is beautiful after all. The GoPro just died, but the mission continues. Sheesh. He's coming closer. Whoa. It echoes through the fucking mountains. come on. Look at this. Sun bursting through there, man. Look at that shit. Shut the fuck up. Whoa. That whole thing just moved. Wow, that was incredible. That little bird made a really cool sound as it came down to dive in onto that rock. Made it to Crinkle Crags, but not quite Balfell. Saying Balfell's another 40 minutes that way. Sun's already gone, so we ain't gonna make it before it's dark. Therefore, I'm going to bail because I'm knackered and we're hours away from somewhere I can sleep. It's been dope though. So you see that lake over there? That is Lake Windermere. So we got to be there by about 4 p.m. tomorrow. So yeah, definitely need to turn around, unfortunately. I haven't really got time to continue. Little sheep and its lamb. Yeah, mate. Sheep's chasing each other. Whoa. That looks like a cool opportunity for a photo, actually. I just woke up here, beautiful little spot. What I didn't notice, there's a radio tower right there. Wobbly wobbly. Climbing in the mountains. Fucking love it, man. It's a shame we didn't get to Balfell yesterday, but I've had a great time. I've really enjoyed this trip. I have. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Time to go home. Bye. There we go. completed the mission, boys. I recorded it, but the file corrupted. But we made it back to Windermere already. It was supposed to take us 2.5 hours. Took us half an hour because we hitchhiked. The hitchhiking is sick in the Lake District. Gotta be sick.